Hey there, didn't see you there. Okay, I'm Best Weston, and this is a documentary. The Industrial Revolution. It was a pivotal turning point in American history. It all began when plans from Britain came over the pond and came right here in the American mainland. Even though the acceptance was slow, these ideas soon changed the entire nation. They laid such foundations as the telegraph, railroads, canals, women in the workplace, and other things. This is the story of the American Industrial Revolution. Smiley Capital.
Samuel Slater, often labeled the father of the factory system, first learned of textile machinery when working in British factories. He eventually escaped to the U.S. after memorizing the blueprints of these machines, and in 1791 created the first cotton thread spinner located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And even though there was only one of these created at the time, this innovation jump-started the mass industrialized production that makes up the fabric of the United States today.
Samuel Slater was a great man and a great sound mind that helped make America what it is today. He memorized the British textile industry and brought it into America and helped make America what it is today in the factory. And he did this through hard work, grit, and ingenuity, and nothing on but his own dime without the government.
Nothing my rival here has said is true. Nothing he said. Actually, it was the government that furthered such technological advances. Yes.
In 1793, another mechanical genius named Eli Whitney invented the machine known as the cotton gin, a revolutionary device that not only made de-seeding cotton easier and faster, but caused the South to flourish with wealth and made cotton the king of all production. Whitney was also known for his creation of interchangeable parts, which allowed the manufacturing of guns and other products to be much less time-consuming, and also, at the same time, created the first assembly lines used in American industry.
Man, Whitney was that man. He made the cotton gin, got the slaves in there so we make some more cotton, get these fabrics, yeah! And then he made the interchangeable pots and guns. Mini guns. Yeah!
Factory work in the U.S. was not easy, and the working conditions weren't any better. Workers often referred to themselves as wage slaves, and they barely made enough money to sustain their families. This was even more apparent for the women factory workers, who were already treated as societal underlings. And even though these women were important to the U.S. economy, the dangers of factory work lurked around every corner. As always with labor comes frustration, and sometimes this frustration escalates to the point of riots and union formings. But even so, most of the time these uprisings can be dealt with swiftly and painfully.
Inside!
The Cumberland Road was a memorable triumph for Western settlers because their complaints of needing an easier way of travel were sought to by the U.S. government. This road stretched from western Maryland all the way out west to Illinois, and this road was considered the first official road in America. One crucial undertaking during this time period was the construction of the Erie Canal. Built by resourceful New Yorkers, This new way of passage that linked the Great Lakes together would increase trade and production indefinitely. Led by Governor DeWitt Clinton, this governor's gutter was officially completed in 1825.
We're done!
But perhaps the most important discovery of the Industrial Revolution was that of steam power. Once steam engines were invented, they were used to power locomotives, steamboats, and all other kinds of different machines. This new source of power increased production and shipping 1,000-fold and forever changed the ways of transportation in America.
You know, as a superhero, I find it very useful and efficient to be able to use roads and vehicles in my everyday crime fighting. I mean, without these innovations developed in this time period, I wouldn't be the Batman that you know me as today. Because I'm Batman.